Ciao Tesla people, just wanted to correct a video that I did a few days ago. So after the Tesla update 2025.26.4, after that I finished the installation, I got a notification for a European navigation data, and erroneously I mentioned it was the 2025.2, but in reality it's the 2025.14. I'm not sure why when you started the download, it will keep this navigation data at the same as the previous one, and there is no release notes, so you are not sure what is actually downloading beside it says EU navigation data, okay? So unfortunately I did a mistake, so I'm making this video to correct myself. So it's the navigation data for EU is the 2025.14. And the other thing is, so my guess is my Wi-Fi downloaded overnight, maybe 2 nights ago. No, the 4th. Oh no, this is the 4th is today. So probably 2 nights ago. So I'm not sure what changes. I noticed some posts online about people around Europe mentioning that there were not that many changes or even at all. For example, I think a guy from Germany mentioned that one speed camera which was disabled for a year, instead in the navigation data it looks like active, okay? And this happened to me too. I have, where I go usually to do a road trip in Pruneta or Gravinchianti, there are a couple of speed cameras that are completely offline. You know, they're rusting, and you know, one is actually covered by a wall, so there is no way you can take pictures and measure data. But unfortunately, in the navigation data, it looks like it is active, so it will beep me, showing that there is a speed camera ahead. I guess it's okay that, you know, so I don't have to speed. I do, you know, and keep myself safe. Anyway, so we'll see. Probably I'm going to do some road trips, longer ones. I think I'm doing a 400 kilometer road trip. So we'll see if that data is updated or not. Also on this road trip, I will again measure the efficiency of the car with the excuse me, with the Allo Black Allo Disc version 2 wheel covers, and also I put the spoilers in front of the 4 wheels to see if anything changes. So we'll see in the coming days. Anyway, check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code, you can get a 500 euros or dollar discount. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.